Finding a reliable backup source for your vehicle can mean the difference between a minor delay and being stranded on the side of the road. Finding the best jump starter for car emergencies ensures you always have dependable power ready. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started.
Number 1. NOCO Boost GB40 Jump Starter. Delivering a capable 1,000 amps of peak lithium power, this compact emergency booster is designed to kickstart engines up to 6.0 liters for gasoline and 3.0 liters for diesel. Its ultra-safe architecture incorporates patented spark-proof connections and reverse polarity protection, eliminating the stress of wrong hookups or dangerous sparks on 12-volt vehicles. Beyond its primary starting duty, it doubles as a portable power bank that fully recharges in roughly 3 hours to juice up smartphones or tablets when outlets are nowhere nearby. A built-in 100-lumen LED flashlight offers 7 distinct operational settings, including SOS and emergency strobe options for dark roadside situations. Tipping the scales at a lightweight 2.5 pounds, the rugged IP65 water-resistant housing features rubberized overmolding that shields the internal battery from drops and dust. While it provides up to 20 jump starts per charge, its power envelope is best suited for everyday cars.
Number 2. Hulkman Alpha 85 Jump Starter. Packing a punch with 2,000 amps of peak output, this sleek jump pack easily revives totally drained batteries in vehicles spanning up to 8.5-liter gas and 6.0-liter diesel setups. It features a bright 3.3-inch smart display screen that clearly communicates charge levels, active status, and potential error codes, so you never have to guess what is happening. Powering up from 0 to 80% takes a mere 1 hour thanks to 65W speed charging tech, and a brief 5-minute plug-in provides enough juice for a quick single jump. The exterior wraps tough polycarbonate resin inside skin-friendly TPU soft rubber, giving it an attractive, modern look that handles impacts without showing wear. Equipped with a 10-layer safety system, it keeps short circuits, spark risks, and polarity missteps completely locked down while handling up to 60 starts on a single charge.
Number 3. WOLFBOX 4000A Jump Starter. Driven by a substantial 88.8 watt-hour internal battery, this high-capacity unit kicks out a massive 4,000 peak amps, capable of starting gas and diesel engines up to 10 liters. The HD LCD screen delivers transparent, real-time updates regarding battery levels and system operational status, so you always know your power reserves before hooking up to a vehicle. With a 65W-watt USB-C bidirectional port, the pack fully recharges in roughly 1.3 hours using the supplied charger, while also serving as a rapid power hub for laptops, phones, and tablets. A dedicated one-touch manual boost button lets you force power into deeply discharged batteries carrying near zero voltage. Built to survive harsh environments, the IP64 rated chassis handles temperature extremes ranging from -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 140 degrees Fahrenheit without dropping off in cranking effectiveness. Integrated emergency tools include a multi-mode LED flashlight.
Number 4. GOOLOO GP4000 Jump Starter. Designed to tackle demanding starting jobs in harsh weather, this heavy-duty 4,000-amp booster effortlessly cranks all gasoline engines and diesels up to 10.0 liters. Internal smart circuitry allows the device to fire up vehicles even in freezing temperatures down to -4 degrees Fahrenheit or hot days reaching 140 degrees Fahrenheit without stalling out. An integrated boost button forces immediate current to batteries with extremely low residual voltage, ensuring you can restart passenger cars, tractors, or RVs in seconds. The unit carries a large power bank setup equipped with dual USB outputs, including quick charging capabilities and a Type-C input-output port for maintaining personal electronics. Its construction relies on hardened plastic with thick rubberized corners that absorb shock and protect internal components against accidental driveway drops. Smart jumper cables feature full metal clamps with 10 distinct built-in protections that shield against sparks.
Number 5. ZEVZO ET03 4000 amp car jump starter. Engineered to bring fully depleted batteries back from the brink, this 4000 peak amp starter reliably handles up to 8.0-liter gas and 7.0-liter diesel engines. An integrated force start mechanism built into the intelligent clamp assembly forces electricity into completely dead 0-volt batteries, provided the starter itself retains sufficient charge. The 74 watt-hour internal reserve functions as a high-capacity portable power bank, featuring twin 5-volt by 2-amp USB ports capable of charging 2 mobile devices simultaneously at faster than standard speeds. To assist in low-light emergencies, it integrates a bright 500-lumen LED flashlight featuring solid beam, strobe, and emergency SOS flash settings. The smart clamp dongle provides active diagnostic feedback, sounding audible beeps and flashing light indicators to alert you if clamps are attached incorrectly or shorted.
Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.